Students, now in this video we are discussing determination of particular integral. If f of d into y is equal to q of x form, then the particular integral will become y is equal to 1 by f of d into q of x. The general method of setting particular integral is we have, if q of x is a function of x only, then 1 by d minus a into q of x is equal to e power ax into integral of e power minus ax into q of x dx. One more formula is also there, that is 1 by d plus a into q of x is equal to e power ax in e power minus ax into e to the power of integral a of x into q of x dx. Now we will solve one problem based on the general method of getting particular integral. Solve pi for d plus 1 into y is equal to e to the power of e power x. Now only we need to find particular integral for this. Now what is particular integral? You have y pi is equal to 1 by f of d into q of x. What is q of x? Here you have e to the power of e power x is a q of x. F of d is d plus 1 only. So this is equal to 1 by d plus 1 into e to the power of e power x. Just now we discussed a formula. Now it is in the form of 1 by d plus a q of x. E power minus a, formula is 1 by d plus a into q of x is equal to e power minus ax integral of e power minus ax q of x dx. Now by the comparison on both sides, then we can say a is equal to 1. Put a is equal to 1 and it will become e power minus x into integral of e to the power of x into e to the power of e power x dx. You see, e power x is exponential function, e to the power of e power x is also exponential function. If you want to integrate a product of two functions, one should be, whenever if you want to apply uv formula, at least one of u or v should be decreasing function. So here both will be never decrease. So you have to go for substitution method is better for us. Let e to the power of x is equal to t. In this case differentiate. Then e power x dx will become dt. Substitute this value in the above equation. In the above integral only. Left side I am not substituting here. So e to the power of, it will become e power x dx. E power x dx is what here? dt. So I am writing dt. E to the power of e power x will become t. Now this solution will become e to the power of minus x into e power t integration. You know that e power t only. Now replace t is equal to e power x. So e power minus x into e to the power of e power x. So the particular integral will be y of x. Particular integral y pi is e to the power of minus x into e to the power of e power x. This is the particular integral. Next problem. Solve d square minus 3d plus 2 into y is equal to e power x. We are using the general method only. Previously what we discussed, that method only. Okay. Now you see, this is f of d. You can first particular integral means f of d. Here you have d square minus 3d plus 2. Okay. Then y pi will become 1 by d square minus 3d plus 2 into e to the power of x. Okay. Now here you can split like this. This is, you can write as d minus 1 into d minus 2 into e power x. Next here you see, actually we have learned only d minus a or d plus a, but here you have product of these two. So go for the partial fractions. So write down first d minus 1 here and d plus 2 is here. To get the roots means here what we will do means put d is equal to 1 in the above equation and d is equal to 1 if we substitute 1 by 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 means minus 1. 1 by minus 1 means 1 minus 1. Next put d is equal to 2. D is equal to 2, it will become 0. So d minus 2 getting cancelled. 1 by 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 means 1. So you will get 1. So addition only. Now this is, you can split like this. 1 by minus 1 by d minus 1 e power x plus 1 by d minus 2 into e power x. Earlier we discussed the formula 1 by d minus a into e power 1 by d minus a into q of x is equal to e to the power of ax into integral of e power minus ax q of x dx. Same formula we are using. So now first we will do 1 by d minus 1 into e power x. This is equal to e power x e to the power of minus x into e to the power of x dx. So e power x into e power minus x to e power x, both are getting cancelled. You will get integral of 1 dx. Integral of 1 dx is nothing but what? X. So x e power x. This value is x e power x. Next, second value 1 by d minus 2 into e power x. Okay. Now this is equal to e power 2x into integral of e power minus 2x into q of x is here what we have, q of x is e power x only. So e power x dx. So e power 2x into, here bases are same, powers will be added. So minus x, minus 2x plus x will become minus x dx. So e power 2x. E to the power of minus x integration is e power minus x by minus 1. So we are getting, after simplifying, minus e power x only. This is second value, minus e power minus x. This is second value. First value x e power minus x. But here you observe this is minus n. So ypi will become minus of x e power x minus e power x. So e power x is common, minus is also common. You will get x plus 1 is the answer. In the general method like this, if you want to solve, this will be very lengthy. So in this case, some of the shortest methods are also there to find the particular integral whenever q of x is a function of x alone only. So now we are discussing those q of x values, the function of x alone. Shortest method for finding a particular integral of f of d into y is equal to q of x. Here the q of x may be constant. Q of x may be constant. Okay. Next to q of x may be exponential function, that is in the form of e power ax. Maybe q of x is in the terms of sin ax or cos ax. Sin ax may be cos ax also. Maybe q of x is a polynomial in terms of x. Polynomial means x to the power of n. You may get 1 plus x square also. X square, x cube, combination also you may get. So polynomial in terms of x, like p of x. Okay. Next, after this you will get the product e power ax into v of x form. Here v of x may be constant, v of x may be sin ax or cos ax, v of x may be x power n form. Next you have x into v of x. Here x power n. Of course, generally now in BTech we are discussing x square v of x maximum.